What's up, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed this fresh spring peachy tutorial and just enjoy. So first I'm going to spray my face with the same Ives face mist in Zing orange, and I'm just going to use my clean beauty blender to just like push it towards in my face. And then I'm going to go in with my E.L.F. Putty Poreless primer, of course, to prime my face. Then going with the Loreal True Match in Natural Buff in 3. That's what I'm going to use all over my face for my foundation. And again, with the same beauty blender, I'm just going to go ahead and dab it all around. I push in towards my skin versus like rubbing it around, because when you rub it around you tend to kind of like smear and kind of take away the coverage, and I want the fullest coverage possible. So I find that when you dab your beauty blender or brush, you get the most coverage. Then I'm just going to put some of my Korres or Korres, however you say it, my pomegranate lip butter to moisturize my lips. Then going in with the E.L.F. Putty Eye Primer, again, one of my favorites. I think this whole line is pretty good, the whole like putty primer type of thing. I mean, all the ones I've tried are really good, so definitely recommend those. And I'm just going to use that to cover my entire eyelids. Then going with the Banana powder and my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in a light 01, I'm going to go ahead and conceal under my eyes. And with that the Banana powder, that's what I'm going to use to set my concealer. And I am going to highlight a little bit on my forehead, my chin, and just a line down my nose, because I'm going to contour my nose later on. And then again, setting that powder, the Banana powder, with another clean beauty blender. I apply my setting powders with a dry beauty blender versus the wet one. The wet one is only for like creams. Then going in with the JACLYN Hill and Morphe palette, and this is the first palette that she came out with. This is what I'm going to use for my eyeshadow. And using a Morphe brush in M535 and the shade Silk Cream, I'm going to use this to basically buff it all over my eyelid except in the brow bone area, just to give it like a good kind of like a base color to work with. So I just obviously you saw the Morphe brush that I'm using. It's just like a big fluffy one, and again I'm just buffing that all around my eyelid except my brow bone. Then going in with the Morphe brush M518 and the shade Creamsicle, I am just going to take that brush, dab it in the eyeshadow, and I kind of just start putting it like in the lower part of your eyelid, like close to your eyelashes, and then I just start working my way up by like blending it up towards my crease. Then going with a Real Techniques eyeshadow brush and the shade in Light. That's what I'm going to use to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm just taking a clean powder brush that I use to brush out the setting powder that I use for the concealing areas. Then going in with my RIMMEL Stay Matte Powder in 011 Creamy Natural, I'm going to set the rest of my face. And I love this powder, you guys. I totally forgot how good it is. And it's super cheap. It's like $4 at Walmart. It really gives you like that matte look. Then going in with my favorite NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in Brunette. Just going to fill in my brows and brush it out with a spoolie brush. Then going in with a Morphe brush in M431 and the same shades that I used on my eyelid, I'm going to go ahead and buff that out on the lower lash line. Then going in with my Wet n Wild bronzer and Ticket to Brazil and my Real Techniques contour brush and also the Real Techniques blush brush. I'm going to go ahead and use both of those brushes to contour my cheekbones and my forehead and under my chin. For my nose contour, I'm just using like a old MAC, like a small little travel kit that I had from MAC with Hello Kitty. That was like way back in the day. I just like it because it's small, so it really gets into the line of my nose so I can contour. And here I am using that Real Techniques contour brush. I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, and then I'll go in with the Real Techniques blush brush to contour my forehead and temples and also underneath my chin. Going in with the NARS Virtual Domination palette, I'm using the blush in Final Cut and a Spa Sister brush in 7030. That brand I've found at Marshall's and Walmart. And this blush is like a peachy color, perfect for like spring and summer. And I was just using a Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I didn't put too much because I am going in with falsies. Again, I'm using the Ardel. I believe they are the wispy lashes. But of course, you can put on whatever lash works best for your eye shape. And I freaking hate putting lashes. It is probably my least favorite part of putting my makeup on, because it's not that I can't, it just takes so long because obviously you're trying to do your best and getting it close to like the lash line, and it's just annoying. I hate it. And I use my tweezers to kind of like, once I put them on, like the placement that I want. I use my tweezers to squeeze the lashes, like the fake ones, against my lashes so that they're blended together. And then I just take the same creamsicle color and put it again over like that lash line. And then I'm taking my Loreal voluminous eyeliner kohl and I'm just gonna put that in the waterline of the top lash, just to make your eyelashes look fuller. Then going in with the Becca highlight and Opal. That's an oldie but a goodie. I'm just gonna highlight my cheekbones and my cupid bow and the tip of my nose. Then for my lips, I'm gonna use MAC lipstick in a Velvet Teddy and Revlon lipstick in 013 Smoked Peach, and MAC lip gel or lip jelly in Lush and Bright. Not sure if they still make this type of lip gloss. I honestly haven't been into a MAC store in a while, so I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure they have a similar color, if not the same, but just like in a different, probably different packaging or something. But I think this is a perfect like spring lip combo. Alright you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.